So, good morning, guys. Good morning, my subscriber. Good morning, YouTube. It's your guy, VFX, and in today's video, we want to take a trade on GBP USD. And the trade I want to take on GBP USD, I don't know, but this is what I see before I want to take that trade. This is 817, and the market from this support level. So I want to let me just enter the trade before I start analyzing the reason why I entered the trade. You get? So I do my calculation. I suppose enter the trade with 0.05, but if I enter the trade with 0.05, see what I will get. If I enter the trade with 0.05, what we'll be risking will be more than what we're supposed to risk, and today is Monday. I don't want to risk more than $4 to $5. Highest amount we're supposed to risk today. So please, before we continue the video, I want you guys to do me a favor. Please like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe to the channel. Make the channel grow so that it will reach more people. The more you like, it will reach more people so that the community will be big. So thank you, and continue watching the video to the end. Love you all. It's $5, so I don't want to risk more than $4 to $5. So I reduce the lot size. I reduced to 0.02. It still bring about $8 out from where I'm supposed to put my stop loss. Then let me do it so that you see. So this is 0.05 bar. 0.05. If I'm to buy from the current price level now, if I'm to buy from here, then my SL will be below this particular area, this last swing low. It should, with 0.05, to bring out my stop loss. What I'll be risking will be $22.25. $22.25. $22.25. That's what I will be risking. So if I'm to enter the trade from that particular level, what I will be risking is $22.25. $22.25. Then if I reduce the loss size to 0.02, see what it will bring out. If I reduce it to 0.02, it will bring out $8.9. 8.9. And if I reduce to 0.01, I don't want to risk more than $4 to $5. So if I reduce it to 0.01, it will bring out, let me see, if I reduce it to 0.01, it will bring out $4.45. $4.45. So if I'm to enter this particular trade now, since I'm perceiving a buy from this support level that I mark, from this support level, I'm perceiving a buy from this support level. So if I'm to enter the trade now like this with 0.01, we'll be risking $4.45. You get? So I think I'm going to use 0.01 for this particular trade. And where am I targeting? This next resistance level. I'm targeting this next resistance level, either this particular place or this next resistance level. These are the two places I'm expecting I'm expecting to put my take profit. You get? So if I enter with 0.01 like this, my stop loss will be around this particular place. My stop loss will be here, below this swing low. If I switch to 15-minute time frame, you understand it better. Yes, below this swing low, that's where I'll put my stop loss. You get? Well, so I'm going to use 0.01 to enter this particular trade. And before I enter the trade, I'll wait for this 15-minute candlestick to close. And if the 15-minute candlestick close bullish, then I'll enter the trade. So we are waiting for the 15-minute time frame to close. If it close where then we'll enter the trade with 0.01, then our stop loss will be here. You get? So now we are waiting for the trade to close. So 15-minute candle have closed, and the way it closed, it doesn't look nice to me, you understand? So this is it here. The way it closed, it doesn't look nice to me. It doesn't look nice to me, so I'm still waiting for this particular one to close. If this particular one that is just forming close bullish and engulf this particular red candle, then we'll go in for a buy. Then our stop loss will be around here. So we are waiting. We are still waiting. We are waiting for this particular one to close. And if it close bullish, then bullish engulfing. Like if it engulf this particular, then our stop loss will be here. Then we enter for a buy. Because what I'm targeting is buy. So let's still wait, because patience is the name of the game. So we are still waiting. Let this particular one close. If this one close bullish, then not anyhow bullish. If it's close bullish and it engulf this particular red candle, then we'll go in for a buy. And if it close bullish and it and it refused to engulf this particular candlestick, then we'll still hold. You get? Then we'll still hold. Yeah, they will still hold. Yeah. So we are still waiting. But what the market is doing is as if. So you all know our work as a trader. Our discipline is patience. So I'm still holding. You get to? I'm still holding. Since the market refused to close bullish, just as I was expected. As the market refused to close bullish, I'm waiting for the market to come to this support level now to mitigate this fair value gap on 30-minute time frame. And if you go to 15-minute time frame, it's still the same thing. So I'm waiting for this fair value gap to be mitigated. You understand, ba? So once it come and tap on this fair value gap, I'll just enter for a buy, because I'm expecting a buy. I don't know why. My feelings today is just buy. I have a feeling that the market will buy today. I don't know why, but that's what my gut is telling me. That's what my feeling is telling me. That is what my bias is telling me. So I have a feeling that the market will buy today. I don't want the video to be long. If not, I've analyze the market one after the other. But I don't want the video to be long, since we are still waiting for our entry, for our strategy to play out. I don't want to make the video to be long. You get? And please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do like the video and subscribe. Please, like the video and subscribe. Then please have patience enough to wait for your strategy. That is the only thing that will keep us going in the forex market. Patience is just the number one thing you need to acquire. That is the number one knowledge you need to acquire as a forex trader. So please do yourself the favor to be patient enough to wait for your strategy to play out before you take any action. So as we are waiting for our strategy to play out, we'll be checking what we'll be waiting. So let me delete this horizontal line. Then you guys will see what I'm waiting for. This is the area. I'm waiting for the market to mitigate, to tap in. Then immediately, if it tap in and I see an engulfing candle on 15-minute time frame, then I'll enter for a buy. So you guys will see how everything will go. And if I plot trend line, plot trend line, let me go back. Plot trend line like this. If I plot my trend line, this is exactly what the trend line gave me, and this is the area I'm expecting the market to come. this is the area I'm expecting the market to come. Yes, this is the area I'm expecting the market to come. Then immediately if the market come to this trend line and this support level, this fair value gap, then I'll enter for a buy. Then we'll see how far it will go, and by then I'll calculate my loss and see the kind of see the loss size I'm going to use. So let's see, and let's wait and see how it's going to be. So this is 9 o'clock and the market open. Immediately 9 o'clock market open, it started rushing to the upside as if something is pursuing it, but now it's coming down. Now it's coming down a bit. So we are waiting. We are still waiting. We are still waiting because even as it open, it not even create a wick, as you can see. The market did not even create a wick. This is it here. The candlestick did not create any wick, so we are still waiting. We are still waiting. Let's see how it will go. This is where we are expecting the market to come before we take any buy. Although the video is long already, but patience is everything in the forex market. Patience is everything, and I want you guys to see how I wait for my strategy to play out before I execute the trade. I want you guys to know how I wait, how long I wait for my for my strategy to play out before I execute. So please don't be annoyed. I know the video is long already, but still stick around and see how everything will end. Let's enter the trade together. So we are expecting the market to come to this support level. And if you look closely, there is a fair value gap here. That's the reason why the market is considered the market don't want to go till it mitigate the fair value gap, then it go to the upside. So let's still wait and see. So after long awaited, the market have finally tapped us in. You get, the market have finally tapped us in. Just as I said, that if the market come to this, come and tap on this fair value gap here, I will go in. So truly come and tap in, come to the fair value gap and tap in. So immediately it tap in, it create this bullish candlestick, and I enter. I suppose wait for bullish engulfing candle, but I enter. You know the reason why I enter, because what I'm risking today is Monday. I don't want to risk much, so I enter with 0.01. You get, see. I enter with 0.01, and as I enter with 0.01, my stop loss, I am risking $5. What I normally risk is $7.5, but what I'm risking today is $5 because today is Monday and I don't want to overrisk the account now yet. You understand? But so you get what I see. That's the reason why I want to take this particular trade by all means. I don't know if it will end in loss or end in profit, but anyhow it ends, you guys will see. The video is long already, so I don't know, but I'll try and make sure I give you guys, I do a video of how this particular trade ends. Although it's 0.01, but you see how it ends. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well and subscribe and like the video, please. So anyhow I'm going to update you guys. So we are up about $0.4 now, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3. So I don't think I'm going to opt out this trade quick, because the stop loss is very far. You get, let me clear all these things so that you guys will see. Then I'll tell you guys when I'm going to opt out the trade. So if I switch to 1 hour time frame, the next resistance level will be here. Let me use this arrow. The next resistance level will be here. This is the next resistance level. You understand? So I don't know if the market did not hit our SL. I'm going to hold the trade till it reach this resistance level, but I don't think if the market will be able to reach this resistance level today. But anyhow, I'll be giving you guys the update. You understand? You know, the channel is all about this particular account that we are growing from $30 to $300. You get? It's all about this account that we are growing to from $30 to $300. You all know the story of this account. And if you are just joining us, please, if you have chance, just go through the channel and see how far we are going. You understand that? So the trade is up about 1 point something, 1.0, $1.1. You understand? So let's see what this trade will generate for us. What we are risking is $5. So the account, we are taking it from $30 to $300. You understand, man? But I don't want to over risk the account. Let me just take it slow and steady. Let me see how far we can go. You get? For say, if I say let me over risk it now, if within within a week I can just do the calculation. Is either we lost it or we gain it. But I just want to be taking it slow and steady. Let's see how far we can go. So that's the reason. So this is my expected area to take out the trade. So if I put my TP here, first of all, before I calculate my profit, I will first calculate my risk. I'll calculate my risk. What am I risking? After I know what I'm risking, before I will set my TP. I'll set SL before I set TP. You understand? So this is our expected area to take our profit from. This is our expected area to take our profit from. And if the trade reach this particular resistance level, means we are going to generate about $14.37. You understand? Then the next resistance level will be $20, which is almost 200 pips. Yeah, 200 pips. So but this is where we will put our take profit, $14.16. So let me just say $14, which is 141 pips. So let's see how far, let's see how it will go, and I'll keep updating you guys. Thank you. So this is what the trade have generated so far. Like the trade is just going down, like very close to our stop loss. So this is the stop loss here. The trade come down like very close to our stop loss before it's giving us this candlestick now, this bullish candlestick. But if I'm just praying, if this candlestick close bullish and engulf this particular red candle, means we have hope. But if the candlestick did not engulf this red candle, means we are going to lose the trade. So this is minus $3.2. You get minus 3.44. You get one. So this is how far the trade have been moving. Not moving well, but we just hope so that the trade will, like this particular candlestick, we hope so that this particular candlestick will close bullish. If it close engulf, if this particular candlestick engulf this one, if this particular candlestick engulf this one, means we have hope. But if it close bearish again, means there is no hope there again. So this is the only hope that we have. This engulfing this candlestick that is forming is the only hope that we have now. So let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will go. I don't sweat itself. Then please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Like the video and subscribe, please. Like the video and subscribe. Let's see how let's grow together. Thank you guys. So this candlestick is the only hope. Is the only hope. Let me see 15. Let me see 5-minute candlestick. Let me delete this arrow first. Then I'll see 5-minute candlestick. 5-minute candlestick. Okay. Let's see how it will be. It's not too bad, but let's see how it will be. Not too bad, but let's see how it will be. This 15-minute candlestick. If this candlestick can be able to close and engulf this bearish candle, then we have hope. But if not, means they are like the trade is gone with that. So let's wait and see how it will be. So not that I want to say anything negative about my trade, but it's like there is no hope on this trade again. It's like we have lost hope. Like we have lost hope. Be like say we don't lose hope with that. Like we don't lose hope because look at 5-minute candlestick, then see 15-minute candlestick. Cannot even stay one place. See 15-minute candlestick, then see 5-minute candlestick. Look at 50 pips. So can you imagine? And imagine if I use 15 pips. Oh my god. Finally the 15-minute candlestick have closed. The 15-minute candlestick have closed. So let's see how it be. You see how it closed? How it closed means there's no hope. How it closed means there is no hope. But for say I even this 15-minute candlestick engulf this one, I for enter another position with 0.01 again. But okay, this one, shall I see if God will do a miracle for us. Let's see. Let's still wait and see. But anyhow it be, you are going to see if it end in loss, you are going to see. If it end in profit, you are going to see. That is the only thing I'm going to assure you guys. Anything that happened to this account, you guys are going to see everything. Anything that happened to it, you're going to see everything. Because I'm the one that choose to document all the journey here. Let me see if I can be like disciplined enough. Yeah, God. I just sweat. Let's do it. Like you're going to see the last results now, or maybe we'll continue. If it's going in our favor, means we'll continue. Well, if you hit our SL, I'll just end the video. Then that will be all for today. Then we'll wait for tomorrow. All right. So 30-minute time frame is giving us one hope like that, you understand? Then what's the hope is it giving us? You see this bullish engulfing candle, here that close above this bearish candle is the hope 30-minute time frame is giving us. So immediately I see this bullish engulfing candle, I enter another 0.01 position. You understand? So what I'm inside the market to this thing 0.02 now. You understand? But this down one, this last one that I enter, I'll not hold it for long. You get, this one is just for scalping, but this one is just for scalping, while this one I'll hold it for long. You get, so let's just see how it will go. Let's see how it will be, because I don't know. Anything can happen. That is just trading. you cannot even 70% sure. Sometimes if you are not 70% sure, because the market can do anything at any time. They can manipulate the market anytime, any day, anytime. So we are in the market 2 position size now. You get, so and this is it here. The first one is running minus 2.3, while the second one is minus 0.2, minus 0.1. So let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will go. Let's see how it will go. The last one now is up about 0.1. So let's see how it will go. So finally we have lost the trade. Finally we have lost the trade. But one thing is, there's something as I enter the second trade and it's still going in against me, there's something that comes to my mind. And that thing, not that I've not know about it too, not that I am hearing about it for the first time, you get. That thing where they say never add to a losing trade. Never add to a losing trade. Like, it's very good. Like, it's a very, how am I even going to put it? It's very like, it's a good advice. If you can if you can stick to that, it will save you a lot. It will save your account, save you from stress, save you from emotionally down and everything. Never ever add to a losing trade. Okay, just now that I had, like, I think the market is going in my favor now, and the first one is in lost. The first one is in lost, and I think the market is reversing to put me in profit, and I enter one more position. Merely I enter, it's like all of them now is lost. So let me enter, see to this trade. We have, like, I've lost $7.67, $7.67, and today is Monday. So throughout this week now, I'll be struggling to come back from this loss. This week now, I'll be struggling to come out from this loss. But sure, it's all good. I think next time a trade I will add to be like any trade that is in the profit, that will be add to now. If I thought I will add, is any trade that is in a winning, like any trade that is going in my favor, that I will be adding to. I will never again add to any losing trade. Never. I know about this thing for long, but to be a successful trader, he had gone. Like, you will fight so many things. You will fight so many things. Not be only when you have strategy and the rest here too. There are a lot of things you need to fight if you become a profitable. Before you become a profitable trader, there are a lot of things. If you get a working strategy, there are a lot of things you need to do. You need to do again before you call yourself a profitable trader. It hard though. But sha, this is the end of our video. Today I lost 7.67. And you know we always risk 7.5. Today is 7.6, of which is not too far from their self, but what I'm willing to lose today is $5, not 7 point something. But sha, one thing is certain, we have down, like, we are at $40.8 now. So one thing is certain, we are taking the account back to $300. That is my belief. I've never one day think of losing the account or blow the account. No, I don't know why. Maybe we'll blow it, but before we blow it, something must happen. So this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and join us as we embark on this journey. The journey is not easy, but join us so that we'll go together. Join us. Subscribe and like so that the account will reach more people. Then see you in my next video. Bye for now.